Everybody, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve emulated on Discord. To know how to fix or how to solve emulated on Discord app, you should just go to settings. Here you can click on apps, default apps, app settings. Then this list you will enter to the window or to the app of Discord. Then you can click on first app and you can click OK. Here we'll enter to the window of storage. Then you can click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can cause you errors or can delete your account. In the end, you can go to Play Store. If you'll find your update in this blue sign, you can update your app. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for watching.